Hey guys, welcome to your notes on 8.4, multiplying special cases. So these are a couple special cases that come up when multiplying binomials that if we recognize the patterns, it can help the process go a lot faster. So let's look at when we're squaring a binomial. Essentially, you're just multiplying that binomial multiplied by itself, a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So you could FOIL, double distribute, table method. I'm going to double distribute. This becomes a times a plus b times a plus b. So now I'll distribute again. A squared plus ab plus, now b times a, if I write that in alphabetical order, is ab plus b squared. And so, if I combine like terms, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So anytime you're squaring a binomial, a plus b squared is always going to be a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So if you remember this pattern, you don't have to show the steps in between. So let's see a couple examples below. So now here, I am squaring 3x squared minus 7. So think of this as being a and this is b. So if I remember this special pattern, it's going to be 3x squared squared plus 2 times 3x squared times negative 7 plus negative 7 squared. So now I just use my properties of exponents to simplify. 3 squared is 9. X squared squared is x to the 4th. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Multiplied by negative 7 is negative 42, x squared. And then negative 7 squared is 49. So we see that memorizing this pattern helps me cut out quite a few steps. Let's look at number 2 using the same pattern. So this is my a and this is my b, if you're trying to connect to this pattern. So this equals a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So if I remember this pattern, it's a lot faster. So now let's simplify using properties of exponents. 4 squared is 16. A to the 4th squared is a to the 8th. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Multiplied by 5 is 40. And then I have a to the 4th b. So now 5 squared is 25. And b squared is b squared. So we used our properties of exponents to simplify there. So in our last example on this page, we're trying to find the area of this shaded region. So that shaded region is the large square minus this little square. So the area of the large square is x plus 7 squared, subtracting the area of the small square, which is x squared. So I'm going to use my pattern to FOIL this out. That's going to be x squared plus 2 times x times 7 plus 7 squared, subtracting x squared. And so I see my x squareds are going to cancel. 2 times 7 is 14x plus 49. So that would be units squared is the area of the shaded region. So I hope that you will use this shortcut when squaring binomials. It saves so much time.